Welcome to new motorcycle riders. Please subscribe to our channel for more motorcycle-related content. Here are some essential tips that you need to know for winterizing your motorcycle. When the cold months arrive, many riders put their motorcycles away. But storing your bike without proper preparation can lead to costly repairs and damage. Winterizing your motorcycle protects it from harsh weather, keeps it in good condition, and ensures a smooth start when riding season returns. This guide covers everything you need to know to prepare your motorcycle for winter storage. Clean your motorcycle thoroughly. Before storing your motorcycle, give it a detailed wash to remove dirt, grime, and road salt. These substances can cause corrosion if left on the bike during winter. Use a gentle motorcycle-specific cleaner and avoid high-pressure water that might force moisture into sensitive areas. After washing, dry the bike completely with a microfiber cloth. Pay special attention to the chain, spokes, and undercarriage. Applying a protective wax coat will add an extra layer against moisture and rust. Change the oil and filter. Old oil contains contaminants that can damage your engine if left inside over winter. Changing the oil and filter before storage removes these impurities and prevents corrosion inside the engine. Use the oil grade recommended by your motorcycle's manufacturer. Running the engine briefly after the oil change helps circulate fresh oil through all parts. This step ensures the engine is well protected during the months it won't be running. Stabilize the fuel system. Fuel left in the tank can degrade and cause varnish buildup in the fuel system, leading to clogged carburetors or injectors. To prevent this, fill the gas tank completely to reduce airspace and add a fuel stabilizer. Run the engine for a few minutes to circulate the stabilizer through the system. If your motorcycle has a carburetor, consider draining it completely to avoid gum deposits. For fuel-injected bikes, the stabilizer alone is usually sufficient. Maintain the battery. Cold temperatures can drain your motorcycle battery quickly. Remove the battery and store it in a cool, dry place away from freezing conditions. Use a smart battery charger or maintainer to keep it charged throughout winter. If you leave the battery connected, ensure the charger is compatible with your bike's electrical system. Regularly check the battery voltage to avoid deep discharge, which can shorten battery life. Protect tires and suspension. Tires can develop flat spots if the motorcycle sits in one position for too long. To avoid this, either place the bike on a stand to lift the tires off the ground or move it slightly every few weeks. Check tire pressure before storage and inflate to the recommended level. Cold weather can cause pressure to drop, so maintaining proper inflation helps preserve tire shape. Suspension components benefit from a light cleaning and lubrication. Inspect fork seals and shock absorbers for leaks, and address any issues before storing the bike. Cover and store your motorcycle properly. Choose a dry, well-ventilated storage space such as a garage or shed. Avoid damp basements or outdoor areas exposed to rain and snow. Cover your motorcycle with a breathable, waterproof cover designed for bikes. This prevents moisture buildup while protecting against dust and debris. Keep the bike away from direct sunlight or heat sources that can damage paint and rubber parts. If possible, place a moisture absorber nearby to reduce humidity. Additional winterizing tips. Lubricate moving parts such as cables, levers, and the chain to prevent rust. Check coolant levels if your motorcycle is liquid-cooled and top off as needed. Remove accessories like saddlebags or GPS units to prevent damage or theft. Inspect and tighten bolts to avoid loosening caused by temperature changes. Document your maintenance with notes or photos to track what you did and when. Taking these steps will save you time and money when it's time to ride again. Thank you for watching our video. Please leave us a like and subscribe to our channel.